Get your holiday cleaning marketing ready now. Here's a quick plan where I'm going to show you online and offline, both are important, marketing that you can do to stay busy throughout the holidays and into the new year. I'm going to show you all sorts of examples. Now, the staple that I'm going to recommend for every cleaning business is first and foremost, mail something in the mail and email and contact your past clients. They're your gold mine. They're the people that already know you, love you, and that you've already branded yourself to. Build up that brand and get referrals. Now, what I recommend is that you mail something. It doesn't have to be holiday related. These are just some examples, but something related to the season, something related to the holiday potentially. Basically, in this case, it's before and after, showing them that we're there for before and after cleanup. We can come in and clean your home. It's got the funny picture of either a turkey or Santa coming in and tracking up the home, and obviously you're there to come help clean it up. We also, in the postcard on the other side, talk about our referral program, which is great because not only do we want to market to our past clients, we want to talk about our referral program. And we want to give them a very light special offer. In this case, it's for free cinnamon deodorizer. There's other themes and postcards that we've got. Turkey Day guests are coming. Are you ready? Happy Thanksgiving. A turkey cleaning a rug. Again, the light special offer on the back. Now, take the same exact theme, the same exact picture, headline, message, and put it into an email newsletter. Hopefully you're collecting emails from all your clients. Some of them don't want to get emails from you, and that's fine, but a lot of them do. Email something. It's super cheap to email them something in the mail. Take that same offer and email it to them. Also, take that same offer, that same picture, the same message, put it on Facebook for the people that want to connect with you on Facebook, and perhaps even run an ad based on that same picture, that same offer. Now, for brand new clients, we're going to be talking about some online marketing and offline marketing for that. Facebook ads are working really, really great right now. We're doing some things for some clients where we're doing lead generation ads, we're doing messenger ads, we're doing video ads, and basically letting them know that we're the cleaning company for that area. We specialize in whatever it is that you specialize in. Videos are really good. Have some type of an offer, have some type of a page that leads to an offer. This type of thing works great. Also, Google ads. Obviously, SEO is great. If you can get free organic ranking, do it, and yes, but you can't rank for every keyword. So for some of the other keywords you're not ranking in, why not do some Google ads? And you can do them for carpet cleaning, area rug cleaning, pressure washing, all sorts of other services, and a lot of the times you can get really, really good response if you're doing them right. Right now is a great time to be doing Google ads because it's people that are hot and heavy on hiring a cleaning company. That's what they're on Google for. They're actually ready to hire. So Google ads are great. Now, when you're doing this, you also might want to do a display ad and also a remarketing ad. In this case, this is a remarketing ad that we did that happened to show up on CNN, but you can get it to show up on all sorts of local news stations or websites or all sorts of other, famous popular sites, sometimes weather.com, that type of thing. And basically you're marketing back to the people that have been on your website. Now you can also do a display ad for fresh people in certain zip codes. In this case also, we use the same ad for targeting people in a particular zip code that we already marketed to for neighborhood advertising campaigns and postcards. We also turned around and said, hey, we're the neighborhood cleaning company, reminding them about that through various media. Hitting them with multiple media is always a good idea. So speaking of neighborhood marketing, this is kind of one of the staples of neighborhood marketing, and that is sending out a postcard campaign. Sometimes it's EDDM, which is every door direct mail. Sometimes it's just buying a mailing list and targeting a specific zip code or a few specific zip codes that you've got. Either way is fine, and there's a lot of ins and outs on which way that you would want to go. But basically, targeting an area and saying, this is our neighborhood, and giving them benefits of your service, and letting them know that you're the neighborhood cleaning company, letting them know your guarantees about your reputation, and then giving them a special offer. Them and only them a special offer. Here's a really good neighborhood holiday EDDM that we did. We just cleaned for your neighbors. Here's 3 gifts for you. We put a picture of the front of the neighborhood, similar to that same picture on the CNN ad that I just showed you. And we just let them know that we just cleaned in your neighbor's house and on this street. If they see this with a picture of the front of their neighborhood with their street on it, they're going to notice this. And even if it's not their street, even if it's the neighborhood next to them that is in a common popular neighborhood that they know about, this is a really, really attention-getting thing, and that's what all this is about, the neighborhood marketing campaign. So we wouldn't take this postcard and mail it to just people on this one street. We would take it and mail it to everybody with maybe in that same zip code or within a mile or two radius that probably knows of this street, that probably knows of this neighborhood. And these things we can do for EDPM or any type of a neighborhood postcard for 40 cents, maybe 50 cents a postcard. And these are big postcards. They're not little 4 by 6 inch postcards, but 8 by 10 inch, 6 by 11 inch, larger postcards. And that's out the door, printing, labeling, handling all together. You're targeting these homes for pretty cheap. What a great way to back up and even be the main source of marketing for some of the neighborhood marketing that you would do. And a lot of the times it's a very good way to market, especially if you want to get into high-end homes. Here's another example: impressing your holiday guests, which is one of the big benefits, and again, listing reasons why you have a good reputation and why they can trust you. So with all of these, what you're looking for, like we've talked about recently, is a 3-to-1 return or more. For every $100 spent, at least $300 in cleaning business in return. All of these campaigns work great for maid services, carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, water restoration, any type of a home cleaning or residential cleaning service. There are other methods for commercial. Most of these that we talked about are for residential, but this is what you're at least looking at. So do something. The holidays are coming, the end of the year is coming. You got to do something now. Hit the ground. If you haven't already, do something strong for your marketing plan. We can help you get this done for you. We have templates for all of these. We have programs where we can do it for you if that might be the way that you want to do. We also have training programs where you can learn how to do it all yourself. Go to the page link below this video, hitmanadvertising.com/coaching. Or if you have specific questions about what we can do for you, call 850-474-1110. Thanks.